Mi ò rí sí gbogbo ilé o.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I don't know why I'm hyped today, but I feel like all thanks to Vlogmas, I'm able to keep myself busy. But yeah, today what I'm going to be doing, first of all, I want to do my makeup quickly. I don't know why I feel like doing my makeup today, but I'm going to be doing a very light makeup. And before I tell you what we're going to be doing today, make sure you subscribe. So, okay, let me quickly finish my makeup.
We'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know.
Alright, so let's head out now. I'm going to be switching to my vlogging camera. Okay, so this is what we are getting. So yeah, this is what we are getting. This is what we're looking like right now. And we're ready to move out. Are you guys excited? Because this is gonna be fun. Okay? So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing just a polo round neck and a short since it's very close by to my house. Look at my cheekbones, look at my glow, look at my blush. Are you guys feeling it? Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to see you on the road. Close mask.
You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered.
Alright, so just give me one portion of everything you have. One portion. No. Yeah, so how do you sell?
Yeah, we have different packages.
Okay.
If that's what you want to try, if you want rice, well, now we only have jollof rice.
Okay, let's have them.
As if nothing else mattered. How many girls chasing after you? If I left town again, would you come through? I don't know where we'll go. Can we grow? This is so, as if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got time, and I've got miles. I've got miles.
Alright, so on my way home, and that place was really noisy. It was really noisy. So I doubt if you guys heard whatever it is we were talking about. But the lady that attended to me was really nice. food. I don't think I've seen any better customer service recently. Okay, recently, because nobody has queues in Nigeria. Everybody is always angry, but she was quite nice. So these are all the food that I got. I'm going to start showing you one after the other, right? Oh, you don't fall. I think I will start from this. My brother is going to be surprised. Where is the spoon? So the first one, to be honest, Ata is worrying me. My favorite is their rice and beans. To be honest, I think that is just that one food they have that I can buy anytime. I really like their jollof, their white rice, their rice and beans. I want to try as much as possible to load this thing down so that you guys can see. Okay, so this is the true tone of their rice. Where is the sauce? Okay, this is the sauce. So I'm just going to dive in. I'm really, really happy. I've not eaten today, by the way. So I don't know what's wrong. What's wrong with my UPS? So I don't know. This place is going to be a mess. This rice and beans was from 800 naira with one chicken. So I think it's really fair. This used to be like 400, 500 though. Okay. That is it for the white rice and beans. I'll come back to this later. But this tastes nice. Tastes really nice. And I'm just going to take a bite of the chicken. Now, this is what their momo looks like, and I've not tried it before. Okay. So with the momo, I think it's not completely bad. My mom makes momo a lot, so I know how momo is supposed to taste. So that's not completely bad, but let me try it again. Not bad to be honest, but now let's move on to fried rice. The only fried rice I like is the fried rice they make in my house. And the thing now is that I really don't like eating outside. I eat out, but I don't really like eating out. So I'm really selective with food. Let's try this out. Ah, see, there are some fried rice that when you eat them, you would be glad to eat them. Most of the fried rice they sell at restaurants, especially like Chicken Republic, and I think Chicken Republic, probably because they sell in this kind of portion, and I don't know why, but I've never really liked their fried rice. I don't think I've ever gotten their fried rice before because it looks too yellow. It looks like curry rice to me. Excuse me. It's not bad, though. I'm not saying it's completely bad, but my taste bud is just somehow. So I feel certain ways. I feel some certain ways about how I will talk with food. So this fried rice, I would just put it aside. Oh, we have plantain here. I think plantain is basic, sure. But the plantain be like plantain chips. It's so sweet. Okay. I'm filled up already. And I still have chicken and chips here. Who sent me? Okay, let's dive in. Chicken and chips with sauce. I've had their chicken and chips numerous times, and I feel like it's one of the best you can try in the market. For the amount you buy it, and it came with two chicken. The same chicken. So let me just take a bite. This tastes heavenly. So I'm going to put this one aside. This is chicken and chips. Oh my god! Now I'm really scared to try out the other things. But this is pasta salad or whatever that lady called it. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Pasta salad. And this is gbogbo it has tomatoes. I beg. Wetin be this? My mom, it even has macaroni. I don't like macaroni. What was I expecting when she said pasta salad? I don't like that one. We have 2 more to go. Hey God, I beg. Wait till I go buy with money like this. What's this one? Yeah. It don't cut though. It's not bad though. There's too many things inside. Guys, hey, this is the last one. But I cannot eat it though. I cannot even lie. See, the moment I saw it, I knew because waiting with the story alone. It's on a chicken. See, I cannot eat it. I cannot even lie. So overall, my favorite is still the rice and beans. Sadly, we don't have the jollof rice here. But I think their food, it just depends on your taste. But to be honest, I'm really selective with food. There's some food I would never eat. I'm not that kind of person that will say, oh, let's try out this food. No. I'm really selective with food. Even this toast bread, I don't know what you called it. Let me even check. Double chick whiz. Oh, double chick whiz. 1, 2, 4. Excuse me, or 1 more. It's not bad, sha. But my favorite is still you already do. The chicken as well as the rice and beans. So this is where we are going to be ending today's video. If you enjoyed this, today is day 3. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Also share this video with your friends or anybody you feel like would probably want to watch this. Their chicken is really good, I would say. Thank you very much, guys. Stay safe. Stay fabulous. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Alpha, it makes sense. You like her?
Yeah.
Is that Isabi? Very nice or moderately nice?
Very nice.
Very nice?
Yeah.
So you can buy it?
Medium.
Why baby? It's just 900 naira.
For it?
But do you like it? Is it really nice?
Yeah.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised.